Some days I sit down to write and immediately feel the pressure to arrive somewhere, to understand something, to uncover a pattern, to leave the page with an insight that feels earned. This pressure usually comes from the part of me that has spent years reading closely, thinking critically, being trained to ask, what does this mean? Today, I'm writing without asking that question. Not because insight is unimportant, but because it's not always available on demand. This morning, I opened my notebook, already slightly tired of my own thoughts. Not overwhelmed, not distressed, just full. Full of interpretations, full of explanations, full of language that keeps circling without landing anywhere new. So, the page I'm writing today isn't trying to clarify anything. I'm not asking what this feeling says about me. I'm not connecting it to a theory or a memory or a future version of myself. I'm letting the sentences exist without asking them to prove their intelligence. This feels surprisingly difficult to let go of the control. When you've studied literature, really lived inside these texts, you're trained to believe that meaning is the point, that every line must gesture towards something larger. But not all writing needs to do that. Some writing is closer to rest. I'm reminded of something Virginia Woolf does in her diaries. Not in her novels, but in the private pages. These are entries that don't build, they don't conclude, they don't even seem interested in coherence. They simply mark a state of mind and move on. Those pages aren't less valuable, they're doing different work. Today's page is doing that kind of work for me. It's letting my thoughts stretch out without tightening them into an argument. It's letting me write a sentence and not immediately ask whether it's useful. There's relief in that, the quiet kind, especially for those of us who live very close to language, who think through words and sometimes forget how heavy that can be. Writing without needing insight is a way of lowering the volume. It tells the mind you don't have to perform today, you don't have to discover anything, you don't have to make this page teach you something. You just have to be here long enough to notice that you are. The page doesn't reward this kind of writing immediately. There's no moment of clarity, no satisfying conclusion. But the body feels different afterward. Less compressed, less praised. And that matters. Not every journal entry needs to change you. Some entries exist so you don't have to keep carrying everything internally. One page is enough for that. Tomorrow, insight might return, or it might not. Either way, I'll come back. Not to learn something, but to stay in contact with myself without asking for proof. One page without insight. And that, today, is more than enough.